Did you know that Fayetteville's trail system averages more than 40,000 trail users every month? In Northwest Arkansas, we love our trails. However, one thing we don't love is litter. Thankfully, local volunteers help keep litter cleaned up, but they don't always have the supplies needed when they see trash in the environment. To help solve this problem, the City of Fayetteville, with support from the Washington County Extension Office, has installed litter stations along the Razorback Regional Greenway in Fayetteville so that trail users can help keep our trails and waterways clean. The litter cleanup stations are placed at roughly 1 mile increments along the Razorback Regional Greenway in Fayetteville and can be found at 5 locations where the Greenway intersects Salagi Trail, North Street, Poplar Street, Gordon Long Park, and Mud Creek Trail. Each litter station has a 2-sided informational kiosk that explains the impact of litter on the environment and helps users to identify which litter items are recyclable and which ones are trash. You will also find a recycling can, a trash can, dog waste bags, and recycled grocery sacks for litter cleanup at each location. At a station, simply take 2 bags from the dispenser. Collect litter as you walk the trail, placing trash in one bag and recyclables in the other. When you reach the next station, empty the recyclables into the recycling can and then place the trash and the bags used to collect litter in the trash can. Please do not put your bags back in the dispenser. Do remember that cigarette butts, most clamshell food containers, and drink cups are not recyclable. If you are on social media, don't forget to post your volunteerism using the hashtags #RecycleSomething and Keep Fayetteville Beautiful so that we can inspire the community and show others how fun and easy it is to help take care of our outdoors. Keeping the environment clean not only helps us, but it protects the local ecology that makes the Ozarks unique. Thank you for helping us keep our outdoors clean, healthy, and beautiful.